What's going on, guys? It's 05 Taillight GT here with another new video. So I know it's been a while, so I had to lock in and just say fuck it, let's order some new parts and let's start the content again. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and we're gonna be installing some new tail lights on the Mustang just to make the rear end look a little bit more modern and aggressive. So that's one thing with the 05 Mustang, 05 to 09. It's like the rear end, the tail lights, then the front headlights as well. Those I had already updated, but the rears I haven't updated. I have the stock ones, and honestly, they just look very outdated. I mean, they look nice, but I just need to upgrade them. So these are the tail lights that come with the 05s, 05 to 09 Mustangs, and they look nice, but they're just a little bit outdated compared to the new generation of Mustangs. So we're gonna be changing that, and I'm not gonna really do an in-depth video on how to change the tail lights because there's so many videos out there. So a moment of truth. Let's just hope they get all blacked out. Oh, let's go, dude. Alright, we gotta take off. Oh my goodness. Dude, look at that. They're a little bit like, yeah, it looks like a little bit dirty, but damn, these things are freaking clean. So these aren't the Vector V2 tail lights. These are kind of like the Spyder tail lights. And the reason I didn't get those is because they're fucking $400. Well, now they're like $450. So are you really gonna pay $450 for headlights, guys? Like, let's just be honest. Like, I'd rather buy a fucking suspension part or something. These I got them for like $180. Like, it's not that expensive. Like, a lot of people could probably afford this, and it's pretty much a plug and play, hopefully. So I'm gonna just try to figure this out right now, how to connect them. Alright, so real quick, I just wanna make this known. So you do have to reuse these bolts, and one thing that I noticed is whoever manufactured this, like when they made this thing, they didn't get the right dimensions or something, because it doesn't want to like lock in. I mean, it's not too big of a deal. Like, you could always put tape on it. Like, it does hold right there, but that's not how it's supposed to be. Like the OEM ones, they'll just lock into place. These don't. Just be aware of that. Put some tape over it, make sure it's secure, and yeah, that's pretty much all you could do. Alright, so real quick, before you guys, install everything and unwrap it like I did with the other one, just make sure that they work. And as you can see, they do work, so should be good. Alright, so we installed the one on the left right here, and as you guys can see, this is what it's looking like. So I'll probably record this tomorrow, because what I'm still gonna do is we're gonna smoke these out, and then we're gonna do the ones on the sides. So it's pretty easy, but I'll probably just add the next clip. I'm gonna install that one right now. I'm not gonna do a time lapse. It's already getting a little dark. So this is what it's looking like. Like I said, I'll get some more clips, some better clips later. But look at that. Like, that's a huge difference. It just looks way better now. Like, oh my goodness. Yeah, y'all need to get rid of these. If you still have these, just go on eBay and buy these, because these are solid. Alright guys, this is going to be the second part of the video. The third brake light that's actually smoked actually came in, so we're going to be installing that right now. So let me just show you guys. It's pretty windy, so just bear with me, guys. So this is the third brake light. All of this stuff that I've been ordering is from eBay, so I'll leave the links in the description. But this is how it comes packaged, and this is what it looks like. This is the third brake light. I'm not gonna take this off because I want to see if it works first, but it's basically just like blacked out, like smoke. This right here is going to replace that red one right there. And as you can see, these are the new ones that we installed, the new tail lights. And the red does kind of go with this red, but I have a feeling that the smoke look is just gonna perfect everything. So we're gonna be installing that real quick, and it's like super windy. So I have the little, goddamn, I have the little fur shoe on the top, so it's gonna help out from the wind. But yeah, let's get this installed already. Kind of yapping too much, so let's do it. Alright, so just like that, third brake light is installed. You could see the difference right there. I think it's way better. So let me just turn on the car, make sure it works. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head over to my spot where I like to film some videos, and I'm gonna just record like a little edit so you guys could get a nice look of how the tail lights and the third brake light look. I also did install the side markers, but that was like a while ago, so you guys will also be able to see how those came out as well. But yeah, let's get on to the cinematic edit. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that little edit of the tail lights. So that's pretty much going to be the end of the video. So I do want to say that the eBay tail lights, they're actually pretty good for the money that you're paying compared to other headlights, tail lights. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and give me some new video ideas as well. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.